Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for central Waubonsee County till 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near McFarland, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Alma, McFarland, and Texaco. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 328 and 342. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.